I would like now to invite John Hemming MP from the Birmingham to share his views with us. John Hemming MP.
Thank you for inviting me here to the launch of the manifesto. I would like to highlight one issue, which is human rights abuses, because wherever you have conflicts, there is always a danger that you get. And you take the event, it's very sad and tragic event in Peshawar at the school. I met one of the fathers of the children who was murdered there. And the problem with those, you get those extreme actions when there's a conflict between two groups of people, whatever it may be. And the way towards peace is to deal with human rights abuses and try and control things so that the temperature goes down. Because the difficulty in terms of getting peace and justice is if there is great anger, it is very difficult to get to a resolution that is acceptable. And if you look at, say, for instance, the situation in Israel, where Netanyahu is facing both ways on a dual-state solution, the anger that is there on both sides in itself means that any negotiations get sabotaged even if people don't admit it. So I always focus here on 5A, human rights, which is if you need to get the UN involved, you need to really focus. There's some work, very good work being done on a dossier of incidents in Indian occupied Kashmir. Some very good work has been done on that. We need to be getting more attention. Just because there's no oil, just because it's a long way from the UK, there's no reason why people should ignore human rights in Kashmir. And I always want to bring that to the fore, because that is how we, across the world, if we emphasise human rights, that everybody is equal, their rights need to be respected. If people are abused, there needs to be a process to hold the abusers to account, those who are assaulting people, whatever it may be. That is the direction towards peace and justice throughout the world. It's the most important thing in many ways, because without that you don't get sensible negotiation. But thank you for inviting me to endorse your manifesto. I'm sorry I need to go off and do other things.
Okay, thank you very much.
Cheers. Bye-bye.